Hey, this is Kinoshnik channel, and we start to break down some of the VFX done for our cosmic horror short film Rear Window. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make a very realistic rain in After Effects. Let's get started. So, now we got a nice footage of a presumably rainy day. Add it to a comp, then add an adjustment layer. Apply CC rainfall effect and tweak the parameters as you like. Increase the drops number, size and speed. Increase the spread to 15, but decrease the opacity to 10. Decrease the wind to -2000, then Alt-click the wind and type wiggle 10,000 by 2000. It will give a random direction to the rainfall. Then add a correction layer, apply fractal noise, change mode to linear, increase contrast to 300 and decrease brightness to 9. Complexity to 6, then Alt-click contrast type wiggle 10 by 100. Then animate the evolution, maybe 3 rounds, and set the rain layer mode to luminosity. Hide the noise layer, so in the end we have this imitation of an even wall of raindrops. Duplicate the rain layer, decrease the drops number, size, speed and spread to have a basic layer of rain. For bigger drops, create a new solid, go to Effects, CC Particle System, birth rate to 0.2, longevity 3.2, tweak producer, change radius to x720, y to 3. Go to Physics, jet sideways, gravity to 50, velocity to 1, direction 2 by 250. Then also add a radial blur to 5 and increase exposure to 7, so you got a big drops which are kinda close to the screen. Then color correct the entire comp and here we go. So, this is the final result. If it was useful, please like and subscribe, we're just starting and there will be many interesting things like fast tutorials in Blender, After Effects, DIY gear, video essays and short films. And again, if you didn't see our first short movie Rear Window based on Lovecraft universe, check the video above. And good luck!